Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to show you how to make easy, simple, yet very delicious roasted chicken.
So leave a comment down below and let us know what you think. Or you can also leave us a comment and tell us what's your favorite recipe.
And stick with us because you will be cooking with Vic and Tom. For this recipe we are going to use garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, black pepper, parsley, chicken bouillon. For this recipe, we will be using KNORRS for the chicken bouillon, half packet of SAZON GOYA, and 1 whole lemon. We will start off by preparing our chicken leg quarters. But before we begin, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button for future videos. Here we are going to start by trimming the excess skin, and after we're done, we are going to place it in a bowl. All the ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box down below. Once everything is in a bowl, we will start adding all the ingredients, starting with oil. This chicken goes well with side of rice and beans. I will leave a link above, so when you have a chance, guys, don't forget to go and check that video out. Remember, we are going to use only half packet of the SAZON GOYA. And now we mix. Make sure you mix well, even under the skin. After everything is mixed well, we will refrigerate for an hour or two. Overnight would be better. But guys, in worst case scenario, if you forget or don't have time to marinate, you can put this chicken right into the oven after seasoning. So keep watching and I will give you a tip on how you can get away with it. Place your chicken into the oven pan and then pour the marinade on top of your chicken. Add a little oil to mix the marinade left over and pour the rest on your chicken. Now we place it in the oven and we are going to bake at 425 degrees for 25-35 minutes depending on size. Here's a tip. Every 10 minutes we will wash the chicken with a marinade as shown. And this will help to give that overnight marinated flavor. So here's the end result, an amazing roasted chicken. Guys, I will leave a link at the end of this video for the rice and beans recipe.